This is the view you'll enjoy every morning. District views as far as the eye can see, and this home hasn't even shown you the best part yet. Freshly renovated with new carpet and new paint, this one feels brand new. With separate lounge and separate dining, there's actual space that you can live in. 3 big bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an ensuite off the main. This is the perfect property for young families. Out here, a great chunk of space with a covered area perfect for barbecues, a grassed area fantastic for kids to run around. Just a stroll to primary schools and high schools. Easy access to Merrylands CBD, Parramatta CBD, shopping, and some of the best cafes around, all right at your doorstep. This one won't last. Book an inspection with me so you can experience it yourself.